Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today, me, my mom, and Mr. Joey. Yes, Mr. Joey. We're gonna be building whatever this thing is called. My mom will say it in a second.
So basically, we're just gonna do something with for like plumbing type of stuff. So basically, we want to make sure that we are doing this tight enough to where there's no leakage. Now, when I went on Amazon and bought some end caps, even though they said they were 1/2 inch, they were not the right 1/2 inch that I needed for the tubing. So this is too big, so we can't use that. So we're just gonna improvise and do something else. But we have some little 1/2 inch tees here, and we have some hose clamps and some clear tubing, and we're just gonna, oh yeah, and then we have a real screwdriver so we can tighten our little hose clamps.
Yeah, not these little baby ones. Don't use these. Don't use those.
Those little baby ones are not good. So
They
yeah.
they don't work, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Use a real one. Okay. Let's go ahead and my mom went to go check on the smoker or whatever. Ugh. So I gotta do this one-handed. Okay. Put that thing on. Okay. Oh, and then okay. Okay. So I got that on there. Let me see. Why did you just sniff it? I don't know. You don't even have a nose. Yes, I do. It's somewhere in there. No, I'm sorry. Whatever. Okay, let's just put this on there. You gotta put it on this thing, that thing first. Okay. And then, okay. Make sure you kind of get it to the end. And put that on there, and then tighten it. Make sure you turn it right.
Oh no, malfunction.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta tighten it. Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Mommy had to take a snack break and get some, snacky.
Mom.
Put it on the other one.
Yeah, put it on another one. Like I said earlier, make sure you put this thing on first. Use a screwdriver and then turn it right. Oh, frick.
FYI, this is our box with all of our different goodies in it.
Also, make sure you have a parent with you when you're doing this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're adding another one.
We have 3 different entry points now.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Did not put that exactly right there. Whatever.
I really want to eat my carrot, but it's gonna be loud. Okay, guys, wait a minute here.
Bro. Biggie. Wait, oh frick. Oh, poopy doopy droopy. Don't mind what I just said. I don't even know what I said. I forgot what I said.
Alright, we'll let him tighten that up.
Okay.
Alright, you're putting it in something else. Oh, watch out.
It's okay. Chill out.
You chill, bro.
You need to chill. You're the one that needs to chill.
Use the muscles. Tighten it. Tighten it.
Okay, there.
We'll see if it's gonna leak or not.
Add one more.
Am I gonna add one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the last part. Well, technically, this one isn't. There's that one. But, like, this is the last one of these that we're going to be using. Keep tightening that. Oh, my arm is starting to hurt.
Muscles.
Is that tight enough? Okay, yeah. Poopy poop.
Dad's vibration is so loud on his phone. It's like so long. I don't get it. You want me to do it for a minute?
Yeah.
You got this. I believe in you.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can poop in the sky.
Oh my. That's interesting.
Is that tight enough? No.
No.
Poop.
All right. Keep on tightening
Oh,
until we're done.
Okay, we're gonna be doing it. Okay. I'm gonna let him do it. Okay, so we got one of these little things.
Syringe.
A syringe. It doesn't have a little spiky thingy though.
Yeah, I need it
And I
now.
put water in it, so and I'll put it in the top right here, and then just go. Oh God, I think we need a little more water.
With this big old thing, yeah.
Can you get a cup of water?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. I'll be right back. Alright. Yeah. Okay, she's getting a cup of water. But since she's doing that, I have something to tell you guys. We are going to be doing a new session. If a video is a little too short, like this one, we are going to be doing a new session. I'll tell you what it is later. It has something to do with some animals. Okay, got more water. Put it in. Oh, freak. No.
It's because
Stick it in there.
it needs to.
There we go.
Oh,
That works.
Wow, that does work. But see how this is like all kinds of different directions.
Yeah.
You gotta like. Oh, God.
The patient is leaking. Good.
Look,
Yeah.
it looks like it's somewhat holding.
Boom. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
I don't think it's like leaking. I think that it was just
It's because
Okay.
there's. It's like.
because your tube is all crazy.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah!
I didn't do that. Okay, I put a little more in. Again.
Well, there's definitely. It looks like it's not leaking.
And this
so
is
that's
why
good.
we have a new session to do at the
Ah.
end of the video if it's too short. Well, I guess that's what it is. I don't know.
Oh, you do have a leak.
No! That's okay. I guess it's just a little leak. Just a little leak. Woo! Leaking. Oh!
Here, take a drink.
Okay. Not that bad. So, what this is Stuffed Animal Town Just another day in Stuffed Animal Town. Oh. Hey, Creeper, you coming? Yeah, sorry. Okay, what are we doing again? I don't know. Okay. I think I got an idea what to do. What is it? I think we should do a party at our house and invite all our friends. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, I guess we just wait a couple seconds for our friends to come. Oh, okay. I guess Rooster's here, but for some reason he's saying bagak. But yeah, whatever. Just wait. Mr. Baseball's here. Ooh. Let's get this party started. Ooh. Wait, did you guys invite your friends? Yeah, I did. Bagak. Okay, good. La la la. It's just a party. Yeah, this is a party. Yay! Oh! Knuckles is here. Knuckles, what's up, man? Oh, Pepper is here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hi, Pepper. Hi. Among Us. Among Us. Oh, Among Us.
The life of the party is here!
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I'll be back, guys. I thought it tickled. Yeah.
Oh, my.
Wait a second.
I'm gonna go away.
I'm not saying bagak. I'm not saying bagak.
Oh my god!
I learned English.
Congratulations!
Oh, thank you for the hug.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, bagak. I didn't forget how to do English. I just want to say bagak. Oh, yeah.
Congratulations! Oh, that's
Sorry.
quite a cough.
I don't think my body's used to be saying English yet.
Well, it's getting kind of late.
Well, you can leave.
This is my party, so I say when it stops.
Oh yeah, drop the beat. Number. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, bagak. Drop the fort. What?
What about me?
Mr. Baseball. Oh, ow.
Sorry, bro.
It's okay.
Sorry.
I'm back.
Yeah, get it.
Oh yeah. Oopsies. You're okay. Yeah, I know. Ooh. Splits. Oh. Ouch. Ooh. Okay, that's it for now.